Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Hurricane DeFi right here, and in this video we are going to be reviewing Polar nodes, a fully decentralized node protocol on Avalanche. Before we start this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, join the Discord, give me a follow on Twitter, and let's jump right into it. I reached out to the Polar nodes team and they have major upcoming updates. With these node projects, you always need to keep an eye on their socials and their Discord. Now let me show you how to set up your node. First thing you need to do is to buy Polar. Let's go ahead and do that. So it's gonna take you to Trader Joe. I'm gonna go to the dashboard. Also make sure your wallet is connected. For me, I'm going to choose the second node. It costs 55 Polar. Let's go ahead and buy that. Transaction confirmed. I'm gonna refresh. Also make sure you add Polar to your wallet. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set up my node. So after you approve the transaction, you need to go ahead and select your node, create. Confirm the transaction. As you can see guys, my node is set up. This specific node gives you around 1 Polar a day. For the distribution, 70% goes to the rewards pool, 15% to the treasuries fund, 5% to the liquidity pool, and 10% to the Polar team. As I mentioned earlier, they have major upcoming updates. They are going to be implementing NFTs and they will be releasing new ducks soon. That was it guys for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.